Japanese culture when space seemed to be the big thing. Now, the space theme shows kind of lasted from the 60s up to the 2000s, and it was because of successes like Naruto that it kind of dwindled down for a while. Now, I'm talking about this because I find it interesting that my number 5 pick I chose was, in some ways, a space show. That show being Space Dandy, the show about an alien hunter who goes around hunting aliens for bounty so he can get some money to go to a restaurant called Boobies. Let's basically get... Actually, you know what? I just got the whole premise out, so yeah, I'm just going to go on with the animation and characters. Love the animation, I love the characters. The best way to kind of describe this show is, let's take something like Cowboy Bebop and make it really freaking comedic. And that's what they do. They make it really fucking comedic. So, yeah, let me get the actual premise out of the way. The show centers around Dandy, an alien hunter who goes around space hunting aliens for bounty so that he can get Woolongs to go to a restaurant called Boobies. He's often associated with his two friends, Meow and QT. Meow being a cat-like creature and QT being a robot. Again, the best way to describe this is Cowboy Bebop just really fucking hilarious, though. And I don't mean hilarious as in, oh, that's sad, it's hilarious that they were trying to be serious. No, hilarious is in the fact that they get away with a hell of a lot of jokes. And I don't know what it is, but it just works for some reason. Now, the show overall is actually really good. And the best way I could describe it again is what I said, Cowboy Bebop with comedy. But there's also something else to it I think it takes away when I start watching it. Maybe it's the fact that it tries to be a little more light with its humor than, well, any other show. With any other show, their humor is, well, very broad. This one, it's very kind of light. But that's probably just my general opinion. I really have nothing else to say. I really enjoy this show. If I did have one complaint, I do think it deserves a third season. Yeah, I think a third season should be in order at least, because the way the second season ended, holy shit. We need some kind of explanation for a third season at least. I would love to have a third season. So yeah, Space Dandy is number 5 and it is really good. I again say it's Cowboy Bebop with comedy. That's the best way to describe it. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for number 4.